Hi, this is Vineet David from SNS Institutions, B-Spine. So yes, today we are going to look into the topic called data visualization. So why this data visualization is important and what is the introduction of this data visualizations. So the data visualization is a graphical representations of the data and informations using the visual elements such as charts, graphs and maps. So it allows the users to easily understand the complex data patterns, relationship and trends by presenting the data in a visual, engaging and intuitive way. So this process helps make data more accessible and actionable, especially in a decision making context. So when a person is ready to go with their decisions, this data visualization will help them more in their decisions to make more accuracy into it. Why? Because as the human natures, while seeing all the things as in visualizations, it can be easily grabbed by our brains and it is easily understandable. So through these charts, through these graphs, through these maps, we can easily understand what is the conclusions of the process which we are running for. So yes, the power of visualization communication. So it enhances the comprehensions, improved memory relations, retentions, so effective communications, data driven decision making. So yes, enhanced comprehension. So data helps the precise patterns, trends that should be followed for. So yes, if we take something around a sales data package, we can identify the sales data by easily communicating to the stakeholders while showing their performance ranges in a chart. Whereas if we are telling through the communication with normal patterns of languages, it can be stored only to the certain amount of time, but by viewing it in a visualization graphical methods, they can store into their mind at what month did they do their performance and at what month did they market it good in the good of the products. So it improves it off. So the data driven decision making plays a vital role in this data visualizations. Why? Instance, we take a set of data, we process the data, we make changes in the data, we separate the data which is required for our decisions, and we visualize the data which will improve our accuracy state into core. So we have lot of ideas about what is going to happen in the future, so we can predict it off and how our market is currently running off. Through all these data sets, we can easily visualize and understand how the current sales or like our current situations of the market is running for. So data visualization types. So yes, we do have maps, graphs and charts. So for what purposes what should be used is very necessary. So the charts, line graph, pie charts and scatter plots are commonly used to visualize the relationship between the variables. So to show the relationship between, we should use charts into it. Maps are effectively for visualization geographical data showing the locations. So to make sure that your sales is good at one sort of place, to show that off while choosing in a bar chart, it cannot show the exact way how it was to be. So while showing it, if it is in the north of Coimbatore, so we tell that a north of Coimbatore place a 90% of sales of our product, holds the sales of a product, then it can be easily shown to the stakeholders and they can easily understand the way it falls off 90% in the North Coimbatore. So what sort of strategies did they plan over there to sell? What kind of customers are there to buy the products? So all these things can be easily identified by using this visualization techniques. Infograph. The infograph is combined of text and graphics, visual. So communication informations to clear. So it has lot of informations about their charts. Like if it is a bar chart, it contains of on which month, how much of sales has been done, how much should be done, everything in a graphical manner as well as in the bar charts manner or whatever charts. If it is an informative way, it is called like info charts. So I hope you would have got some idea of what is data visualization and its types. Thank you so much for the video.